Oh, hey, what's happening? So happy that you can join me here today. Today, I'm out here enjoying this hike and I'm getting the training in with one of the most coolest weapons in Filipino martial arts. This is the tabak tayok. Now, you might know this better as the nunchucks or the nunchaku, but in Kali we call this tabak tayok. Let's go over a couple basics. That way you can get started with your nunchuck training from Filipino martial arts. Number one, make sure that you smash the thumbs up button and then hit the subscribe button over here and then pop the bell so that way you never miss a training video. Because I don't want you to miss Kali training. I want you to train with me every single day. Every day. But you gotta make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Do you like training the nunchucks? Have you ever trained the nunchucks? Maybe you've never trained the nunchucks before. Let me know about your experience in the comments and about my dojo. What do you think? Would you like to be out here training some nunchucks with me or some Kali with me? Let me know down in the comments below. And let's get to it. Technique number one. We're gonna start off with our vertical strikes. We're gonna strike it just like this. You're gonna bounce it off of the arm, and then you're gonna kill the weapon down next to your leg. This is number one. Now you can also rebound it off of your hip, just like this. The chuck that's flying close to the chain rebounds off of the hip, just like this. If you really want to be daring, you can rebound it off of the inside of your leg. 3 cool variations that you can work your vertical strikes. You can kill your vertical strikes, you can rebound it off of your hip, or you can rebound them off of your inner leg. Okay? If you're kind of nervous about that one, go ahead, put on a cup, put some mouth gear on, you know, a little mouth guard, and work your nunchucks. Or start off with foam nunchucks. I'll have a link in the description below where you can go check out my good friends over at their store, because I don't have nunchucks yet at my store, but my good friends have a great assortment of nunchucks. Wood ones, metal ones, foam ones, plastic ones, so that way you can get started with your nunchuck training, your tabak tayok. So once you have the vertical strikes down, then I want you to go into the figure 8, just like this. So it's gonna come across and across, down and down. We're making a big X in front of the body. Just go ahead and get them working just like this. Now I want you to use one of those 2 rebounds. You can rebound it off of your hips and then you come upward figure 8, just like this. And then you can rebound it off your arm, just like we did on the vertical, and then you come back to your downward figure 8. Then I want you to work that rebound off of your inner leg and then come up to the upward figure 8, just like that. Okay? And then catch it. Then I want you to tuck it underneath and let's do some horizontal strikes. We're gonna strike it horizontal and tuck. Strike horizontal and tuck, just like this. Okay? So you can smack them over here, smack someone over there, smack someone behind you, smack them over there, smack them over here, smack them over there, and now you can work some of those horizontal strikes. Then I want you to come back up into this loaded position right here, and I want you to work on some power strikes. We're gonna strike our one, catch it, and we're gonna catch it next to our hip, bring it up, and then strike the one again, just like this. Okay, right there. Now, once you have all 5 of those moves on the right hand, you gotta switch it, and then it's time to start working them on the left hand as well. Start slow. Like I said, use the link in my description down below and get yourself a pair of foam tabak tayok or foam nunchucks. That way you can start off with safety, and then you can always graduate, earn the right to train with the wood ones or metal ones, whatever you like. Here we are in that downward figure 8. You can kill it and then come to the upward figure 8. You can bounce it, come back to the downward figure 8, go into the inside thigh switch, and bounce it again, downward figure 8, and I can do the hip rebound right there. Catch it, trap it, horizontal strikes. I'm gonna hit you. I'm hitting you. Watch out, duck. You gotta duck. I'm gonna hit him over here. Hit him over there. Strike the guy behind me. Right there. Bring it up and power strikes right there. 1. Boom. Wow. bop. Look at how I'm catching that. Boom, right there. Pop right there. Pop right there. Don't do it too close. You don't want to hit yourself in the chin. You got to bring it out and then strike your power. Strike your power. Strike your power right there. Collect them up just like that. And then remember, you can strike with the tabak tayak in the closed position as well. Go work these basic moves and then you'll start developing your tabak tayak skills. The flexible weapons from the 9th area of Kali. I'll see you guys back here next time for some more Kali training.